Hi guys, welcome to this quick review of the AIRSEE white noise machine. That's the machine. It comes in this nice box and this is what you get in the package. So you get the actual machine and you get the cable, which is a standard USB plug. You have to plug it in. It comes with a proprietary plug. So if you go on holiday, you have to think about that you have to take this cable with you. But anyway, usually you leave it here like this. You have to put it in this nice rail so it prevents from damage when somebody pulls on this cable, which is really nice. And yeah, it's on these 4 rubber feet, which makes it pretty stable. So yeah, it also comes with this power adapter, which is awesome. And yeah, you can use it for everything, like even to charge your phone or whatsoever, or you leave this at home and you take your normal plug for your phone with you, or a standard power bank, so you can use that and you don't need any power apart from that, and you're very flexible where to put this up. So I will definitely play all the sounds from this machine so you can listen to it and decide if this thing is really good for you. But it features 10 natural sounds, 7 times fan noise, and 7 times white noise, or white sound. So this is something which helps you to like get rid of strange noise when you have to sleep in a noisy place, and this can like a little bit override other annoying sounds. That's really good so far. The thing is, when you use a power bank like this, make sure you don't use one which has a button to turn it on, because they usually will automatically turn off, and because this machine is only using very low power, yeah, it's consuming very low power, and that makes a lot of these power banks turning off the power. So make sure that you're using one without any power buttons like this, and so you can run it as long as you want, or as long as you have power. So it really doesn't need a lot. I mean, it's depending on the level or volume of the sound, but it really doesn't consume much. So yeah, to turn it on, just push here, and as you can see, it starts automatically with a 30-minute timer. You can extend the timer to 60 minutes or to 1.5 hours. You just push here. Yeah, push here. You can see that. Now it's on 30 minutes. When you push again, it will go back to 0. I mean, no, no timer at all. And yeah, what you have as well, I mean, you have these 3 different sounds. You have 10 natural sounds, 7 fan, 7 white noise. That's good. You can really start clicking on these and you will have respective sound. So here you have volume up, volume down, and yeah, power off. And you have also a plug for your like headset. That's also good if you want to use it just for your own and not having other people to listen to that. When we can cycle through all the sounds, I will do that now, and after we have been listening to all the sounds, you will hear a special sound, so you know you are at the end and it will start over. So I'll put the sound volume a little bit higher. You can also permanently click and it will go then through the highest setting. When you have reached the lowest or highest, there will be an additional sound. Yeah, that was it. So now it's the highest volume. Yeah, and you can see it's a lot. I mean, the speaker is really good. I turn it down a little bit, you still can hear that. That's obviously waves, really nicely implemented. We go to the next sound. Water running. Really nice sound for children. Like a thunderstorm during the night. A little bit of rain. Rain against the window. Old clock. That was a train. And we have now been listening to these 10 sounds. Yeah, I think we have heard everything. So let's go to the first fan. Number 2. So we obviously have been listening to these 7 fan sounds, and now the white noise, number 1, number 2, and number 7. So that was it. So I definitely like most the natural sounds. They are really nice and clear. I mean, I like this rain and beach, waves, such things, but it's a personal preference, of course. But I think they are really nice implemented. I mean, no really disturbing things, just a clear sound. And yeah, the speaker is really large, it's heavy, it produces a really clear, nice sound experience. And with the timer, it's awesome. I mean, I really like that when you have the possibility to just use it to fall into sleep, and then when you are sleeping, you don't have to listen to that the whole night. That definitely helps you to be more relaxed in the morning. Yeah, really beautiful. Rain, really relaxing, probably something which is most relaxing. Yeah, I turn it off. So many nice things, really a good thing. And at the moment, I have seen there is almost 50% discount available. I will put down the link to this nice device into the description, and also the coupon code as long as it is available. Yeah, just definitely use it. Normal price, I think it's close to a little bit below $30. At the moment, it's a little bit more than $15, I think. So it's a great opportunity to take the chance and yeah, buy this really nice thing. So it's a really beautiful device. It has this really nice smooth finish, and yeah, also the buttons. I mean, everything makes a really good impression. Looks like this is a really sturdy device. really good quality as it looks. So I hope I have been able to help you a little bit. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below, and I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.